Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Verify power and cable contacts. A weak battery or loose cable creates lag. Next, change mode to single shot and turn off high FPS or slow motion because they add processing latency. Close background apps or services that use the sensor and reboot the camera to clear buffers. Once done, record a short 1-minute clip to measure delay. This immediate set of steps reduces variables so you can isolate whether delay is hardware, settings, or pipeline related. Now focus on the core fixes. Reduce resolution or bitrate because processing time scales with pixels. For example, try 1080p at 30 frames per second instead of 4K at 60. Then switch to a wired link, HDMI or USB-C, since Wi-Fi introduces unpredictable latency. If streaming, prefer Ethernet. Update the camera firmware and host drivers, and inspect app buffer or latency controls. Lowering buffer size cuts delay, but may drop frame. Finish by optimizing continuous processes. Set fixed exposure and manual focus so the camera stops recalculating each frame. Enable low latency or pass-through mode on capture cards and streaming apps to minimize buffering. Finally, test the full chain. Camera, cable, adapter, host. Replace one element at a time to pinpoint the source. If things still go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to swap the cable and try a different host device. Intermittent hardware faults often masquerade as persistent software lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.